Hey everybody, it's Neon. Check out this shirt I got here. I'll show you guys it here in a second. Let me open it up. It's pretty well vacuum sealed. I'll show you what it looks like here. It looks like this. Look at that. It's kind of like made out of like that dry wick kind of stuff, but it's got some pretty good. It'll be light. I'm going on vacation in a couple of days. I'll probably take this one with me here because it's cool looking. I'll show you guys what it looks like on me here. Let me take off my microphone there. And I will put this on. You can see me with my shirt on. There you go. And here it is. I got a size large, so it's got a cool little symbol on it there. Yeah, yes, sirree. And let's see, what does it say? It just says color red, size large. So this is it here. Let me back up a little bit over into my little corner here where I like to go to get people to see it. So you can see the length is, so I got large. I'm almost 190 pounds, so no, but you can kind of see it goes down, good, size for me. I definitely have breathable room in here. Once I get back and lose my weight again, I'll probably use medium, but you get the idea. It looks really nice. I like the shirt. Super comfy. I think I'll wear this one for my next few videos and stuff anyways, but I like it. So I'm going to say thumbs up. This is by Hardaddy, I think is what it was there. Let me see. It's made of 95% polyester and 5% elastine. So really cool. And then it's got the tag there, but then in the back here, see there it says the Hardaddy. It's got the tag up here. So pretty cool. I like it. Thumbs up for me.